Hey guys, this is Griffin. I haven't made a video in a while, but I just got a new tech item for review. It was free one-day shipping on Amazon Prime, and yeah, I got it the next day, which is wicked cool. So here is the package. UPS just dropped it off. I'm doing the unboxing for you. I'm going to first take it out of the main packaging. Okay, here is the retail packaging. I got the navy color. They come in a big variety of other colors. Pretty nice classic packaging here. How to use, and it fits iPhones, 4S, 5, Galaxy, and many other devices. I think the smallest size is the iPhone, so if your phone is bigger than the iPhone 4, 4S, or 5, then it will fit for sure. So yeah, it uses 3M backing adhesive, which is really strong, and it doesn't leave any residue, I believe. This is the basic model. I believe now they come with a basic too, but I didn't see it on Amazon, so let's take it out. You just bend these plastic things out, and then here it is. There's the 3M adhesive. It's a nice cloth type. I think it's synthetic, I'm not sure. Like a cloth-like pouch. And this is like a felt type material. Here it says the name of the product, Sinjimoru. I think that's a company actually. And it's called Sinji pouch. So yeah, so this is not only an unboxing, I will also apply it to my phone. Let me grab it real quick. Here's my phone. It's the LG Optimus G, and I have currently a Mercury case on it, and I'm going to install it on this case. I have another case right here, since I like it. I think it'll match it better on this case. That way I can keep using this case if I want to, and if I want to not have a wallet on it. And when I do have a wallet, I just attach this case on. It's very easy. So now let's install it. Let's figure out the placement. This on the LG Optimus G, it's kind of tricky since the speaker port is right here on the back, which is not ideal. I'm gonna have to figure a way how to do it here. I guess I can put it on the side, like right here on the side corner, so that way the speaker's open, and as well as the camera port. So I think I'll do that. Yeah, like the corner seems good. So take out the backing. There's the adhesive. Line it up on the case. That looks good. So press it down. I believe you can reuse it too. You just peel it off and stick it on another product. I don't know if you have to like run it underwater or something like that, but seems good. Let me see if I have a few cards I can stick in there. Alright, let me take my phone out first and put it into this Distronic matte case. From the front, you can't tell you have a little pouch. This is already a pretty slim case. It doesn't add a lot of bulk to it, but you can see with the little Sinji pouch on there. It's very slim. So let me see if I can find some cards I can put in here. So yeah, I have a couple cards. Most likely I'm going to keep 3 cards. I have two debit cards and driver's license. That's the most I would probably put in here to avoid stretching the fabric. So let me find one more card. So yeah, I have a Dick's merchandise card and 2 IDs here. I'm gonna put them in the pouch. Oh, let's put them in one by one. So yeah, with one card, it fits pretty tightly. Let me tell you that. So it's very, very secure. It's not gonna fall out or anything like that. So let me add a second. These are average thickness cards, same as a credit card or license card like that. So yeah, very secure. 3 cards on there. You can see thickness, pretty manageable. So yeah, this was my little hands-on and unboxing of the Sinji pouch by Sinjimoru, and thank you for watching.